Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see how we can integrate the razorpay payment integration in Node.js guys. Okay. So you can see guys, output will be like this. If you click on this pay button, and one more thing is I have not designed front end like very nicely. Only the concept I want to tell you. So a simple design, not design like I can say simple guys. One button I have taken and one heading. That's it. You can see guys, when I click on this it is opening, then I can pay the amount. You can see guys, it's like ICICI Bank. Then I'm paying the amount here, and you can see guys, here I'm getting, okay, here is my payment successful. You can see guys, I got the payment ID, right? Payment successful, and this is my payment ID. So this we will learn guys in today's video. Okay, so let's start guys. So guys, we'll go in my code now. So how, what code I have done for this, that I'll show you guys. Here you can see, here basically I am using a Node.js. You can see guys, here is my Node.js where I'm creating one API guys. Okay, means this is for recipe integration only guys. Okay, so here I'm just telling some glance. Okay, this is one code, and one more is there guys. This is my React, means whatever the front end I have designed, that I have designed by using React. Okay, so this is my React code. Okay, so now we'll see what I have done in this. So guys, this code why I'm not telling by typing, because guys, already I have done for this guys, means how to do the coding and how, what is this all things already I have mentioned this. But in this, whatever the important things you want to know, that I'm going to tell you guys. Okay guys, so that only main thing is, because already I told you how we can create a Node.js, or how we can create a application in Node.js, and that already I have done an installation, everything I told guys already only. And even React I told guys how we can create the application in React. So what is important to integrate razorpay, that is main important right here. So that only we will see. Okay, so you can see guys, here I have taken four things guys. That is, one is express, razorpay, body pass, and cost. Okay, so as you know guys, in Node.js the express is very important guys. Or to create the server, for that guys we need to use this. Means, for example, if you are creating any of web framework, then guys we need to use this. Okay, so we have used this. Then razorpay is what, because guys we are integrating razorpay, so that libraries, you can say that libraries we need to install, and that we need to include here as well. Okay, then next is guys body parser. As already I told you guys, body parser is nothing but middleware. Okay, and this we are using to pass the incoming request body. So whatever the incoming data is in, to pass that in JSON, we are using this. Okay, then cost means what is, see guys, while working with two different ports. For example, Node.js, it will work, it will run on this 5000 port, and React it will run on 3000 port, consider. Okay, so the port, both the ports are different guys. So that time what will happen guys, that time we will get course error. Okay, so if you install this, then, and if you include this, you will not get that course, and course is nothing but guys cross origin resource sharing. Okay, so for that guys, so after installing that we will not get that error. Okay, and what all the things we need to install in Node.js, that I'll tell you first guys. First guys, you need to install the npm install razorpay. Okay, suppose if I only included here, and if you're not installed, then it will not work guys. Okay, you need to install only, otherwise it will give module missing and all, that error you will get. Okay, so you need to install. And then next guys, you need to install the course also, that is npm install course. So already I told you guys what is the syntax I'm giving here, how to install the command. Okay, it's the npm guys. Okay, this we are going to use in front end. Okay, so this we are installing in back end guys. Okay, so that you do guys first. Then here we have created the instance guys. For this express is nothing but app now. Then app dot user using it, which ensures the server can pass incoming JSON request bodies. Okay, so for that we are using this. And course already I told you, which will enable the course. Okay, so for that we are using this. Then next guys, you can see a constant razor pay, new razor pay. So here my key is there, that is key add and key secret. Okay guys, these are my test key. Okay, these are my test key guys. And one more thing guys, I got a comment like they wanted test key guys. Okay, you can use this test key, but the thing is what, you will not get means how you will see in dashboard. That is my question, is if I provide also test key. So just answer for this if you want, because dashboard is also very important. You need to see guys whether it is processed or not, whether the payment is happening or not. That also we need to check in Razor dashboard. Okay, just comment for that guys. Okay, so guys, if here I have included all the guys, that is key adding, key secret guys. I will hide this for right now. Okay, then this is done guys. Okay, so it is very simple guys. Then next is what guys, here you can see, here we have written one code, or you can see the one API we have created to create an order. You can see here is guys, there is a create order, right? So app.post we are using is, and here by creating the order, and here we'll get the request and response. So in that we'll get amount and currency guys. Okay, currency is optional guys. Suppose if you are not providing currency also, it will take INR. Okay, but amount we want. Suppose if you're not providing any amount, it will get an error. We will get an error guys. So this we're requesting from front end. Okay, so from front end we are taking these all the things, that is amount and currency. So you need to write like this guys. Then you can see guys, here I have used a try and catch. So in cost option we are using the amount, we are declaring whatever the amount is coming, that we are multiplying with 100 because it is in paisa as I told you. And currency, if you are not declared, it will take INR. Okay, it is optional. Then you can see guys, here we are using razorpay.orders.create option. So what it will do guys, this async, you can see guys, here I use async and orbit. Okay, so this it will create and razorpay order ID guys. Okay, so for that we are using this. Then guys, suppose if any error are there in this while requesting or while taking the data, that time we will get this guys, that is internal server error. Okay, we will get this, that is internal server error. If any error is there, suppose in front end any error is there, that time we will get this. Fine guys. Then you can see guys, here we have taken const port 5000. So here what we are doing, we are starting the server. Already I told guys about this. Okay, here we are starting our server. Okay, so this is the thing guys, this is my backend, and I hope guys you got very simple guys. Here we have created only one most important thing is guys, creating this order and keys in declaration of keys. Okay, and you will include whatever I told you, that also you need to install and you need to include as well. Okay, so this is done guys. This is about the node files, that is server.js file. Okay, now we'll go or you can see the backend. This is the backend. Now we will see the front end guys. Okay, so front end, as I told you, it is in React. Okay, so that we will see now. So you can see guys, as I told you, here you can see I told you, right, we need to install Axios. So here you can see guys, I have import Axios from Axios. I have installed and I have imported that. Okay, to install this you need to go here in terminal guys. Here you need to install the things. If you are new, that for that I am telling guys, if you are new. Then here we are importing the React. Then here we are importing the Axios library guys, to for making an HTTP request. Okay, then next what we will do is, you can see guys, here I have taken one app component and here I have exported the app component, right? Okay, then next the main thing is this guys, load script. Okay, here we are loading the script. So which script we are loading guys, we are loading this script guys. You can see load script. So whatever is there, that was what I can say is, okay, we are loading the script here. So it will dynamically load here, and it will see guys, before doing any initializing any payment, it will check before that only whether it is loaded or not. Okay, suppose if it is not loaded, if the script is not loaded, that time it will give an error, that is one error, that is false. And suppose if it is loaded, that time it will give the true guys. Okay, so to load this script we are using this load script function. You can see guys here we call that. So it will go here and that is coming here and here. Okay, this script is very important guys. Okay, to handle the payments, script is very important. Okay, then load script is done guys. Now you can see guys here there is a handle payment. One function is there that indirectly means in handle function. This load script is we are calling as here. Okay, so if any error is there, then that time it will give the errors, or if it is there, then it will give the true. Okay, then you can see guys here it is telling if it is loaded. If it is not loading, SDK will fail to load. Please check your internet connection. If there is no internet connection, that time also it will not get load. So we have given that, we are considering that error also guys here. Okay, fine. Then next what we are doing is whatever the API we have created, you can see this here I have used a try and here is catch. Fine. And you can see this constant order response await. Here is my async. Then you can see as I'm using exist and I'm calling my API. Okay, so exist.post and this is my API guys, where local is 5000 and create order. This is coming from here. You can see this here. Where it is? Okay, here you can see this create order and here is my port 5000, right? So here we have used localhost 5000 and the create order is my path, is my API path. Okay, then you can see guys here is amount and currency is INR. We are sending here. If we are not sending us, so it will take this because already we have declared here, right? Here. So here is amount guys. Okay, then const guys, that is ID, order ID, currency, amount and order as well. So before that guys, this we are sending to this API guys. Okay, that is amount 100 and currency INR. Then next what will happen guys, it will come here, it will take that, it will take guys this amount and currency from this request body and it will create here one order. Okay, it will create an order. Then next is what will happen here. After that you can see that there is a const order ID, a currency and amount. So here what we are doing is we are extracting this guys, that is order ID. Whatever the order ID will create here, that we are extracting from here is order response. From order response we will get this, so that only we are extracting, that is order ID, currency and amount. Okay, from the backend response. Then next what was it, this is the checkout page guys. Okay, means options where we're including the key, then whatever the amount we're getting, that amount, then currency, completing you can change guys, test transaction you can add guys, description. Here we are getting order ID also. You can see this whatever they extracting that we are showing here, we are giving to my checkout page. Okay, then you can see guys if my payment is success, then we are showing this guys, that is payment success to payment ID, and here we are showing the payment ID also. Okay, if my response is success, as I already told you here, one alert was getting, right? So that alert is nothing but this. Okay, then this is the pre-filled data guys, that is customer name. I have given dummy, you can add guys here. Okay, customer name, everything, and then theme also you can change. Theme means whatever the checkout page will come, and that theme also you can change guys. Then here you can see guys open the razorpay checkout. So here what we are doing, we have open checkout means guys one screen will open, right? So for that guys, to open the checkout page by using this, and if any error are there while opening, it will go here guys, that is payment failed, please try again and all. Okay, done. So this is my handle payment guys function. Okay, then next what we are doing is in my return, this is its react, right? So in return what we are doing, we are calling that handle function when we pay the amount. You can see this as application. Then here is on click function is there, handle payment. So when we click on pay now button, that time this handle payment will call. Then load script will run, means this will run guys. And if it is error here only, it will tell that time only error. Okay. And if any internet connection is there, it will show that also. Okay. Then what we are doing is here we are calling the API and we are providing the amount and currency, and here we are creating an order. Okay, means here our order will get correct, then again response will come back here guys. Okay, here we'll get the response, then From that order response dot data, from what we are doing is from this we are fetching the data. Which data we are fetching? That is order ID, currency and amount. That same data we are sending to my checkout page. Okay, that is amount, currency, order ID, everything. Then pre-fill data is there. Then here we are opening the razorpay checkout page. Then what we are doing is here we are calling our handle payment function. Okay, so this is very simple guys. Very easily you can integrate razorpay in Node.js. Okay, and front end is React, so that I will not consider. But Node.js is very important here. And now what I'll do is I'll run this code. So to run, you can see this here is already running. So what I'll do is I'll just const this. Okay, then I'm using to run this node file. It is node server.js. You can see guys it is running on 5004. Okay, and now this I will run like not this npm run node. I think npm run node or npm node run. See guys, I forgot the comment. I never remember the comment. I think missing something. npm run dev. Sorry guys, I have to use npm run dev. Okay, now I'll open this. You can see guys here only I'll get the link. So I'll click only on that. So it is opening now. You can see as we got raise up a payment integration. So I'll change also here something. I'll make this as 123. You can see as 123, right? Now I got the pin over here. So I click on this. Okay, you can see that this is my checkout page. Okay, you can see I'm getting the amount 100 because you can see here where is my front end. Here I'm sending the amount 100, so I'm getting here 100. If you send 500, you will get the 500. Okay, fine. And here you can see the pre-fill data is there. That is 99999. So whatever the pre-fill data is there here, that it is taking this. Okay, so that is a pre-fill data. Then next what I will do is I will use the net banking. Then I will pay the amount. Success. I'll see whether I'll get error or no. Yes guys, you can see payment successful. And here I got ideal. So you can see this payment ID I got, right? So this is the payment integration guys, and successfully we integrated the razorpay payment in Node.js. Okay, so this is the thing guys, like this you can integrate the razorpay in your Node.js. Right? Suppose if you have any question regarding this guys, if you did not got anything or if you want code and all guys, then you can comment in comment box guys. I will try to give comment on the code guys, because in description I cannot add, because it will not take the some syntax, it will not take this, so I'm not adding that in what I can see description. But you comment guys you want code, then I'm there only I'll give the code. Okay, fine guys. And guys, if you're liking my videos and if you have any question, you can comment guys. And if you're liking my videos, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, keep supporting guys.